In this video, we are going to learn how to create an assembly out of some parts that we have already drawn. And this is what it's going to look like at the end. So we go to create an assembly, and then we insert our different parts. We need the leg assembly twice, and then the top and the middle bracket. And there we have all four of our pieces. You'll notice that the two legs are right on top of each other, so we'll move one off there by clicking and dragging. And then what we're going to do is we are going to click one of our parts until we get these three different arrows. These allow us to move our pieces around in three-dimensional space. So the first one is to rotate. So we can turn it perpendicular to our leg assembly. And then we can use the arrows to move it around. Then finally what we want to do is we want to find the mate. When we find the mate, what we do is we take a look at where we are placing the mate. And when we do that, we want to put the companion piece on our leg parts. Again, making sure that it's on the proper face. Then we'll move our second leg assembly into the proper position using the arrows again. Notice this can be adjusted further. Move it up a little. Change the orientation. We want to make sure we're leaving ourselves enough room to be able to see both faces that we need to use to make. But the closer we can get it, the better. Oh, looks good. We'll use the mate again. It's essentially get it on the right face. So you'll notice I have to move it around a little bit until I find the right place, and then it fastens together. So now we've got those two. You'll notice that the top is out of orientation. So we use the rotate function, turn it 90 degrees, and then move it into place. Again, not exactly into place. We want to leave ourselves a little bit of room here. And this time we're going to put our mate point right in the middle, and then we'll flip the whole thing over. And we'll put the second mate there. And that is the finished assembly.